Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of J Family Outdoors. We're going to be going fishing today on our canoe. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you excited about?
I'm in charge of the anchor.
You're in charge of the anchor?
Yeah. We took the anchor.
Are you going to help with the anchor too?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can, but we're all going to go out on the boat, on the canoe, and see if we can catch some fishies and just enjoy the morning.
Let Joey say something.
Say something, JoJo.
Fishing
Fishing, woohoo! But first, I'm gonna try to use our drone and get some drone footage. So I'm just gonna try out one feature, the tracking, and see if I can figure it out before we get on the water. Yeah, well, I did the best that I could to try to get this up here. I don't really care about my car, so scratching and paint doesn't bother me, but I don't want to break the windshield, so that's kind of the main thing right now. I just kind of ease it down. It's not exactly what I wanted to do. I've got to find a better way to get this on and off before I destroy it. It dropped like 2 or 3 times yesterday.
Daddy, look, we have a place.
Yep. All right. Woo. Go ahead and set things up for a little bit. All right. We're gonna pick Elijah up. Yep.
Daddy, we can get that.
We're gonna pick up Elijah from the dock.
Don't forget your anchor guy.
Your anchor guy, that's right. I'm not sure about this. I gotta get, there we go. Whoa. I got it. No, do not jump. You get down on your butt. Yep, and slide in. Slide in. That is a great job, Elijah. Good job. Woohoo! All right, and we're off. All right, let's see if we can get this.
Take longer, Dada.
Yeah? No, don't play in the water. Sit in the middle. This is chaotic, honestly. Huh? Okay, so we got about 3 or 4 feet. And we're off. Whee! Is this fun?
Yeah.
You like it? You having a good time? Good.
You have to say Elijah. Can you say Elijah? Elijah. Can I please have that? Have they have that? What do you mean? What does that mean?
We're way far ahead. No, you can. You just got to be in the right spot. No clue. That's what we're trying to find out. You think we're in the right spot? It is a spot. Well, we're just driving around looking for bites. Y'all having fun?
Yeah.
Good. So basically I've got some outriggers. I've got one on this side and one right here. And we're just kind of trolling basically.
Daddy, we got fish.
Mm-hmm, good job. All right, keep it over there. And cause I haven't fished this creek a lot, so I don't really know where any spots or anything are at. So we're just kind of drifting and it's outgoing tide. So we'll see if anything nibbles.
I'm dropping the anchor.
I'll tell you when to drop it, okay? All right, Elijah, go ahead and drop it. See if. All right, now pull it tight from the inside.
Pull it tight.
Yeah, pull the slack. Yep, just like that. Keep pulling.
From the inside?
Yes, that one right there. And keep pulling it. Pull, 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 pull. Pull, 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 pull. Pull, pull, pull. Just don't lose your balance. Pull, 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 pull. That's perfect. All right. You remember the little button you got to push, or you push it in, a little piece to stop the anchor? Yes. Push it. Other way. Yep, that's just like that. Now push it really hard. All right. All right, stop. Does it look like it's holding?
Yeah.
I think you did it. You did a good job, Mr. Captain Anchorer. You did your first successful anchor job. It's gonna make it look like we are, but we're not.
We're not.
We're not.
Hey, you got water on me.
I'm sorry.
Daddy, we catch fish.
Are you catching fish?
Yeah.
Cool.
Bite.
The water comes in and out of this creek every day.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's more.
Mm.
Daddy, we catch fish.
Huh?
We catch fish.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I just hope you guys have fun, and I was gonna say if the weather is nice, then
Mommy,
maybe tomorrow
hey,
after
Mama.
naps we can.
Okay. Well, I've got my hands full right now, so that sounds good, but I'll talk to you in a little bit, okay?
All right, I love you so much.
All right, love you too.
Mama.
Jonah, don't lose that now. All right, y'all ready to move again? Yeah. Elijah, your job is up. You gotta pull the anchor up, okay?
Save it.
Well, just like I thought, Jonah was gonna drop his little net, and sure enough, he did. I don't know if we'll find it, but we'll see. Keep your eyes open. I see it. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. I see it. Do you see it? Stay right where you're at. Got it. You happy? What do you say? You say, thank you.
If you drop it again, we're not rescuing it.
Nope, we're not rescuing it again.
That was our next time. The next time you
Oh, Jonah's not listening very well. It's kind of irritating. I need him to be in the middle of the boat, and he keeps shifting over to the side, especially while we're moving. I don't like it. I hate to say that, but it's true. But Elijah's done a great job with his anchoring. He anchored perfectly the first time. Still no bites or anything. We're just kind of chugging along. Make sure it's not caught in your leg or anything, okay? Keep your feet away from all the anchor rope. Oop, you need to let it go out. Let it go out some. Undo it from that thing. Yep, release it. Let it go, go, go. It looks good. Go ahead and tighten it back then. Tighten it. Perfect. You did a good job. Make sure it's tight. Ooh, that sounds terrible. Nope, he hasn't lost it yet. He gave it to me. I'm not sure I recommend getting a canoe and putting a 5 and a 2-year-old in it. It took a while to get everything set up last night, so I went ahead, I was trying to be proactive. Anytime I know I'm gonna take the boat out the next morning, I try to get it all ready the day before. So it took about 30, 40 minutes to try to figure out how to get the canoe on there. From there, just kind of packing everything up. So it's always the longest, it takes the longest the first time that you do something like this, and it should get shorter and shorter, but Jonah's attention span is a little too short for this. I think Elijah would be fine if it was just him and I, but do not reach over the side. See, he just wants to play in the water, which he doesn't quite understand all this stuff yet, but at least we're out fishing. That's the main thing. At least we're trying to catch something. Say hi, you can see it. So we're just out here fiddling around. You can kind of see the creek that we're in. It's a high outgoing tide, and it's a beautiful day, actually. Probably one of the most beautiful days we've had in a while. But you don't touch. No, sir.
Whoa, that's super high.
Technically, this is going towards the intercoastal. The ocean is that direction. If I go a little bit higher, I can still go pretty high. Or only about, that's 100 meters. But that's plenty high enough right there. But you can see the beautiful river. And just kind of panning around. That's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. That's all the neighborhoods and everything. Do you see it, Joan Joan?
I don't see it.
I know, baby, you can't see it right now, but that's the railroad track right there. And that's where we put in, right over there, straight ahead. So maybe if I aim it down a little bit, you can see us. We're right there. That's us in our little canoe. We look very small, very small. But this is just kind of like a little experiment. We're trying to see. Well, this is kind of cool now. I can actually see all the low spots and high spots in the water. It's pretty cool, actually. Yeah, you can see all the low spots. All the grass is pretty died off at this point in the year. Looks like that guy is gone. There was somebody over there on the railroad tracks, so that's cool. We're gonna see if I can go ahead and bring it back. Nice and easy. It's pretty intense, actually. I can hear it. There it is. You see it, Elijah?
Now I can. Daddy, see it. Daddy, see it. Come on. Where are you?
All right, anchor man. We need you to raise the anchor. I know it's heavy, but you're the anchor man. Get that anchor, get that anchor, get that anchor. Good job. We have, let's see, low tide is at 12:15, so less than 2 hours. We should probably go ahead and start making moves because our boat ramp is not navigable once it gets pretty close to low tide. So we're within 2 hours, yeah. So we're gonna go up and just see if we can get another bite. I'm gonna throw this out.
I can't reach. Got it.
Oh, all right. Well, we made it back. I kind of cut everything short a little bit. I don't know about this canoe. Jonah didn't listen. They make me nervous around the ramp. It's hard to actually fish. Everything was, everything was hard. I don't know if it's just because it's the first trip or what, but as I was putting it, it takes like 30 minutes to put everything together, 30 minutes to take it all apart. I'm seriously considering selling it after using it like twice, so. Maybe I think the boys may still just be a little too young. I'll just take the loss on it at this point and then buy a boat with a trailer, which I was trying to avoid. Try to buy a boat and trailer for when we really start getting out on the water. I don't know. We're gonna head back home. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all please like and subscribe to the channel even after the negativity of this video towards the end. But I hope y'all have a blessed day and we'll see y'all next time. Say goodbye.
Bye.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, say bye.